Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the BeReal app. So this is a very up and coming app. It is gaining a lot of popularity. So first of all, you download it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store onto your device. So let me just find it and then I'll open up the BeReal app. Let me just turn that volume down. So this is the app, and when you first launch it up, you will need to just create an account by choosing your name, your username, and then entering in your phone number, verifying that with a code, and then you'll have your own BeReal account. And what you can do is you can connect your phone contacts to the BeReal app, so you can find your phone contacts on the app easily and see their moments on the app. So you can see I haven't done that, but you can post a BeReal to discover the picture by tapping the post a BeReal button right there in the center, and then you can add your friends at the bottom there. So how this app works is basically you're just sharing your moments like a real life moment with your friends. So if I just go to the discovery page, you'll notice that it says hidden content, post a BeReal to discover the picture. So what this basically is you'll use your front facing camera and then it's going to take a picture, and then you'll use your front facing camera to take a picture, and that will be a BeReal. So if I tap on post a BeReal, you can see it's taking the photo. You got about 2 minutes to take the photo, so I'll take that one, and then you'll use the front facing camera to take a BeReal. Now obviously I'm not in the photo, but you would be there at the top left hand corner, and this would be your main area for your BeReal. So if I just now post that, I can post it to my friends only or to everyone on the discovery page. For this I'll select post to my friends only. So that's just going to take a moment to load up, and then you'll be able to see all the other BeReals on the discover page on the app. So let me just wait for that to load, and now it has successfully loaded. So if I go to the discovery page, I should be able to see all the other BeReals, and there you can see there's the front facing camera and the rear facing camera, and that's basically all there is to the app. You're sharing your favorite moments or a quick moment, because what happens is you'll be going about your day and then you'll get a notification from the BeReal app to quickly take a BeReal. That's why you can see these aren't like studio quality images or photos. They're just quick moments of people's lives, and that's basically all there is to the app. Now Instagram did try and copy this with their IG Candid Challenge feature, which I did a video on as well, but that will be basically all there is to the app. You take a BeReal once a day, and then you'll be able to share that and view all the other ones on the app, and that's basically all there is to the app. So if you would like to download the app, you can do so on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.